Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn off alarm on Samsung Galaxy A36. Alright guys, so yeah, if you have a scheduled alarm, it could be that when you no longer need it, the alarm will disturb you with its alarm sound and will disturb your activity. So it's better if I turn off the alarm here. And to turn off the alarm is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that you have to do is now you can go to a clock on your cell phone, and then now you can turn off the alarm, or you can also delete the scheduled alarm like this so it will not ring it again. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to turn off alarm, and so yeah, thank you so much for watching.